Start Twitch. And what do we have the settings on? Hope they're on good. Well, they're alright. Alright. I think we are good to go. Where's my Discord? Where did my Discord go? There. Boom. Like so. And everything is live here. Good. Wait, I'm streaming the wrong window. Haha. Uh-oh. Let's change that to this one. Boom. Okay. What? Why again? And I back. Now I got the Cosmic working. I don't know. I restarted the desktop portal service and some other stuff, and then it just magically worked, which is odd because my assumption was that the
KDE Plasma.
Yeah, something else was wrong, but we'll see how it goes then. No, Cosmic is nice. Like, I love the layout. Well, yeah, it's not good in the sense that it's not really up to date somehow, but it's like still like really nice to use for everything. I like how everything moves around in it. Well, Xorg was also quite fine, but I think Cosmic has a little bit more to offer than Xorg. So yeah, let's see. Oh wow, it's like super slow. Okay. Damn, 5 hours. I think maybe more. Yeah, 6 hours. And we're live. But that's okay. That's okay. At least we're live. I have one over here, and then I will start another one over here. And this one will actually just be this. Whew. Okay. Oh my god. Why am I not signed in? Am I signed out from everything now? Fantastic. Vulkan swap chains, and then I'll need XR swap chains. It loads so fast that I don't know what to say. Great. B-top better? What is B-top? There's no such thing. H-top. I don't have that. But it's the XR swap chain that are like, for me, problematic right now. It's like, what the fuck? We want to present a render image to use the user. To allow this, the runtime provides the images organized in the swap chain. For the runtime must allow application to create multiple swap chain. Swap chain images format support runtime specific exterminate swap chain format function. Runtime should images can be 2D or 2D arrays. Sudo apt install btop here. Actually, I'm curious to see how this what the fuck, how this works, so yeah, I will do that. Yeah, I don't have that, I have Pac-Man. And I can't spell. There is no such thing as beat up. Rendering operating composition of submitted layers are assumed to be internally performed by runtime in linear color space. Images submitted in our sRPG color space must be created using a specific RPG format. Okay, so there isn't really that much. I actually need to do one thing. What should we do for world icon? I don't know. Damn, my computer's slow. Let's see, I'm gonna create a new channel then. You don't hear me in Discord? What? Oh, that's true actually, yeah. Let me just check that out real quick. Input device, default, there's... My Discord is broken apparently. Let me just... Let's see, I will just restart Discord real quick. That's not how you restart Discord. Nice. Mm. The last stream because okay, let's see if I now join. Connecting and authenticating RTC connection and hello.
Yo.
Okay, I can hear you. Amazing.
Wait, is my background noise good or not?
It's
So restart my PC also maybe the program.
It's alright, I would say.
Right.
Okay, but I can hear a keyboard.
Okay, wait. Then I will check real quick. Oh yeah. And now? Now it's better, right?
Yeah, now it's better. I
people
just
right
hear
now.
when you talk. Well, wait. If you press while talking, then I hear both. But
Yeah, so now you hear.
yeah, I only heard when you spoke, but not after that. Let's see. What is it called? App, right? Just gonna. Off topic. Let's see then. I'm fixing stuff in the Discord server here at the same time, so sorry, not there's in background. Yes. Let's see. I think we can. See, there was one more thing I needed to fix in the Discord server. I think it's good. Or is it? Yeah, I wanted to do this. Just to start things off also here. How do people do the world like that? I will do one game. Oh fuck. It's an actual game that opens up. I'll keep scrolling. Alright. I'm gonna do one. Just to show to people that it's now in off topic that we do this stuff. Play. Okay, how do you even play this thing? What's a good word to start off with? It's probably like something like Yeah. How do I do enter? Okay, so I have A and E, but in a wrong spot. Is that how it works? I think that's how it works. S and T are not
Yeah.
even used, so I should have not used two S's because it's kind of like, bruh, what was I thinking? Okay, so
They
we'll
can
do.
also be for S as well.
Okay. I'm gonna go for this. What? Not a word. Okay, it has to be a word. Bruh.
Yeah.
Cucumber. Yes.
Fire. Fire.
But it's
Oh, fire
ready.
ist. Fire ist.
Okay.
Small.
So we have an A in the middle, and then what the fuck can that be? P. I mean, I could just suck at this thing and let somebody come in and show how it's done, and then I will encourage more people to do it here, right? But it cannot be. What can it be then? It's like something with A in the middle. What words has A in the middle? Oh no, banana shake. Shake. But there's no S. And there's no. It actually takes time to think. Like, what the fuck?
Yeah. Not that easy.
Nah.
Because also sometimes the words are just, you never heard them in your life.
Oh, fantastic. And how? Oh no. Po. But they can be multiple times, so it can be like A in the beginning and then P, po, a, e. No, there cannot be an E there. I don't know. Po. Does shitposting marketing work? Shitpost marketing work. What do you mean by shitpost marketing? What is the definition of shitpost marketing? What does that mean? Shitpost. Do you know what it means, T-Chef? Hello, Chupak.
What?
What does shitpost marketing mean? I have never heard about it before. Yeah, I can spell.
I think just posting things for marketing.
Is it like the brain rot stuff or? Oh wow, my internet is so fast right now that the googling goes super fast.
Yeah, or just like doing, I don't know, controversial stuff on social media, I guess.
Deliver absurd, proactive, or offensive content only to generate engagement. Well, yeah, obviously that works. Otherwise, why wouldn't we know about those things? But yeah, I don't know. Is there a give up button for this thing so I can just? I still want people to get to transfer it over to here, but I don't know. I can't think of a word to do this. I don't know. I will just. What if I just leave activity? Does it still show? I think people can. It's just, yeah. Can other people see this, right? Right? Can you see in off topic?
What?
Can you see in off topic my attempt?
Right. Yes, I can.
Okay, good. I will just leave it like that. I think that's good enough. All right. Yeah, this one.
Oh, I think I didn't install.
What
I
did you
didn't install the thing you need for screen sharing.
The what now?
Alright, you know, how can I check with Pacman if I have the package installed with -q?
Dash Q. Yeah, capital Q.
Yeah.
I wonder, can I, if I do this? Oh no, it's still this one sucks ass. I thought if it just was the terminal, but no. Can I cat the output? So if I do pipe cat. The $E. No? Don't know. Anyways, it doesn't work. I want to see, it's probably in the here, let's see, swap chain here. It's not, I want every mention of it here. Creating swap chains. We rendered graphics into a 2D swap chain that's used to there are usually 2 or 3 images in the swap chain to allow platform to present smooth to the user to create the illusion of motion with the image. All graphics API have a concept of swap chain with a very level of exposure. Instead of user OpenXR create swap chain to the OpenXR compass, or which is part of the XR runtime to present render graphics. Okay, views or phone, tablet, monitor. Yeah, 2 views for this one. But and then here, these are the XR swap chain, right? And then I create swap chain info for color and depth, but we don't do that. We just do color. Enumerate swap chain formats. We don't do that. Enumerate, select the depth swap chain format. Yeah, and that's how we get those. And then here, swap chain info, swap chain. XR create swap chain here. We will create the XR swap chain for each view in the system. First, we will resize our color and depth to match a number of views in the system next. But this is what I'm having a hard time. Like, what are these, like, because we have views and we have swap chains and we have XR swap chains. Like, what? We feel the XR create structures and count. Oh yeah, I was actually supposed to do one thing before I continue with this. Just to check that, what the heck. It was this thing. Welcome back, Pinglink. Just want to see if I go in here. Oh, I can go into test actually. What do I have here? Yeah, whatever. Yes. I always forget about it. And then I will start Monado in here. GitHub. GitHub is the same thing basically, right? And sign out for some reason. Very funny. Sign in. But I have to approve through phone. All right. So then we can take this one back in here. And we can go to here. And what was I supposed to do now? I forgot about it already. I actually forgot what I was supposed to do. It doesn't matter. Please make sure you have a correct access right. I cannot git clone it. Ah, bruh. The damn triangle. I spent 6 hours trying to figure out why OBS doesn't work on my Archlinux, and now it's running. Wasn't funny, but it's and I'm actually, the thing I was supposed to do was to read about the documentation on swap chains. So yeah, I'm gonna get to that, but first I want to get this thing so I can actually, okay. So I want to see if I just run the, because I want to see why this tutorial doesn't seem to work for me. So I'm gonna do that first. And let's see, open this one up again. I think it is in chapter 8. That it talks about, let's see. It should be at this one at the bottom. If you start the program, put your headset. Yeah, so it's that one I want to go to. Examples, CD, port 8, and then ls, and then build.sh. Include, no, right.
I'm back, isn't it?
I come back.
Shut up my PC.
I probably have to git clone that. I don't have it in my environment. How does it find it anyways? But GLM. T-Chef, do you know?
What?
I tried to do this. Can I just git clone? I probably could read also the cat build.
What did you try?
Because it tries to, it doesn't find the GLM header. Oh, can I just do that as well? So weird that so many libraries just exists in the package manager.
Yeah,
I can't comprehend it. What? What did you say?
If it's so nice, yeah, I just want to save it Chuckback. It's fine.
Yeah, but I'm always like, what? That thing? I'm always about to look like Arch goes for real. Let's see. So now, okay. Did it and okie dokie. So now if I just do handle passed in, yes, they have the same issue for instance query create yes, okay. I just wanted to confirm that their thing doesn't work either. which doesn't make me any more happy, but it just confirms that I'm not stupid for assuming weird stuff. Or like that. I was worried, like, why doesn't my shit work? I have done it almost one-to-one. They have C++, I use ZIG, but I think I have translated it pretty well, and things didn't work. I was like, what? It should work. But now I can see that it doesn't work. Haha. Okay, now I need to find something that can explain to me these swap chains. I'm just gonna Gemini actually right now because I'm like, I can't find. Because we have views, we have the swap chains, and then we have the images, but the images are only for the Vulkan swap chains. But then we have the views for the XR swap chain, I think. Yes. So I just need to understand. Can you help me understand swap chains for Vulkan, OpenXR, and views, and how they combine, because I'm very confused about all of these. Understand swap chains, especially in the context of Vulkan, is crucial for developing smooth. Yeah. Discourse actually, I don't know what they are, but I want to know how they come together. In the default, yes, here. So we can unlike default frame buffer, you explicitly create the manage. Yes, that's correct. Object holds the VK image. Yes. OpenXR is an API designed to abstract away the complexity of various XR to do, while you will be using Vulkan or other API to actually render. Yes. A swap chain. Instead of directly creating Vulkan swap chain for display, OpenXR provides function creates XR swap chain, enumerate images, acquire swap chain, release swap chain image. Yes, that allows you to create and manage a swap chain specifically to the OpenXR runtime. Understanding graphics details, VK swap chronos and its images. Graphic interpreter. OpenXR is designed to work with various graphics. Vulkan. Create the OpenXR swap chain, you specify the graphics you're using. API, yes, that's correct. Multiple swap chain images per view layer. This is the thing that is making me confused. Multiple swap chain images. Now again, can hear you typing.
Oh yeah, because my PC is again. Okay, I really need to. I will add it.
Alright.
Startup.
Per view. In OpenXR, you typically create one or more swap chain per view or layer that you intend to render. But what does that mean? Like, are we talking about XR swap chain or are we talking about Vulkan swap chains? This is so confusing for me. In OpenXR, views represent the perspective from which the scene is rendered. For typical stereo VR headset, there will be two views. Yes, okay. One for the left and one for the right. Yes. Okay, that views that I understand. Here the connection between views and swap chain. But are you talking about Vulkan swap chain or are you talking about XR swap chain? Ah, fuck. Okay, I'm gonna ask it to. Okay, so can you talk about swap chains? Can you clearly specify you talking about Vulkan chains or XR swap chains? Say the struct. Okay, let's see. Okay. Vulkan struct, yes. Create struct, yeah. Know its purpose. OpenXR swap chain. Struct. Okay, it just explain. Oh wait, here are the purposes. Okay, and this is in the context of OpenXR, I hope. So Vulkan swap chain. Here's the swap chain. Can you specify the maximum? Swapchan, okay. Because that's kind of my problem, like I have too many. For Vulkan Swaption, you determine the maximum number of images I can request by requesting the surface capabilities of the physical device. Okay, so it just... Okay. Damn. Okay. Probably have to make this even more modular, to be honest, but for now we're just gonna hardcode that to be whatever. I think it's 3, but yeah. Vulkan struct, create struct. This struct is used when you call define, then purpose. The Vulkan manages a collection of VK object Q%, call VKQ%. One of the images is presented to the Vulkan surface. But if you use OpenXR, I don't think... Yeah, no. I don't even have a memory of them doing it in this one either. Or wait, where is it? I lost it. Can't there. Boom. Yeah, no. So this is weird for me because it's like Vulkan concepts, but yet some of them are not used when it comes to OpenXR, which makes things so like I don't understand how does it work. When I refer to OpenXR software, I'm talking about the abstraction layer provided by the OpenXR runtime. You create this option to tell the OpenXR runtime that you responsible taking render image, composing them, presenting them to the actual frame. This is handled to OpenXR swapchain object. Struct is used when you call XR swapchain to define the properties of OpenXR, such as for swapchain creation. Yes, okay. Crucial, when you are using Vulkan as your graphics backend for an OpenXR application, the OpenXR runtime will internally create and manage the necessary Vulkan swap chains. Okay, so your Vulkan render target... Okay, so that's why I don't need the percent mode or percent, because OpenXR will take care of that for me. Then will fulfill requirements to the OpenXR swap chains request. So you as a developer primarily interact with Open swap chain OpenXR for images within the swap specifically for Vulkan backend. It provides you with Vulkan images handles. Yes, these ones. Okay. You use this Vulkan handles you render target. Okay. The actual swap chain Vulkan object. Okay. So then in here, because we create these are the XR swap chain. Wait, we have... Nah, bruh. Okay, I needed to explain further, like... What are these? Because I understood one of them now. Okay. Can you further the relationship between... And then we'll have to take... this one. These are... And then we still will have also the Vulkan. Yeah, these one. But these are not Vulkan specific. Wait, they have it here actually in the... Should be here. Create buffer. Am I stupid? Create image view. Okay, what is this then? Wait, hold on. Device command pool image. Oh. Wait, why would that? Okay. And the image is then equal. Oh, so here we create all of the images for. And then we assign them here. Why would we make it so nasty like this? This should have been in here. This was a nasty choice to go about. I don't like it at all. Okay, but these are the Vulkan. Okay, so in OpenXR we don't create Vulkan, only these. Jesus, that's confusing. Okay. In OpenXR, your application to use what? Oh, come on. Is this real though? We don't create any swap chain. Let me see that quickly. See the swap chain. VK. We don't have any. Wait, I can actually go into the Vulkan. Maybe it's easier to find here. Nah, that's from XR. And XR has an XR swap chain. So we don't use. Damn, okay, that's why I'm being so confused, because I thought we were using Vulkan swap chains. I was like, what the fuck? But we're not using. Okay, maybe under the hood they are still being used, but like we are not managing them like as much as we were in a Vulkan application. Okay. Gemini give you probably a city in Finland, Salo. I think it was. What? What do you mean? There's a city in Finland called Salo. In OpenXR, when you're using specified graphics API Vulkan, you do not directly create VK swap chain, okay, object for display or to the XR headset. Instead, you create OpenXR swap chain, XR swap chain. The runtime software provides the headset manufacturer, a third party. It's okay. Okay. But then things are a bit more clear, because I thought that, because I wasn't the one who created the swap chain structures for us in this project, so I have been thinking that we have been using those odds. I was like, what? But okay, then this makes sense, because then these ones are, what are these? Because, okay. You go through I. So, okay. These are a swap chain per I. And then per I, we will need 3 images. Yes. Or 3, but you know what I mean. So that means that we will have to take I count multiplied by our beautiful constant that we have somewhere declared not. Okay, we don't have it declared. Oh wait, I put it at the top, right. Swap chain count, which is 3. Because this one will need, yeah, swap chain count. And same here, swap chain count. Right? Am I thinking? No, wait. J. Oh, it's the same image, right? This is so weird. What? Okay. You explicitly create, yes, handles you receive OpenXR struct containing handles and explicitly, okay, yes, okay. So I create for each I has its own. Okay, wait, let me see. No, wait. This is also for each eye. I think this is so wrong. This tutorial is so bad. What we have been following, like, this doesn't make sense. Why would we do it like this? Because we don't need. We just need images. Well, I guess. Swap chain images. Then again, it's also like kind of. But then this one. What the fuck? Okay. Because you need you create XR per eye or one XR swap, and that is, please. I just send in the same question and then it runs a second time, because that would make sense. But then I have problems when I try to create fun of object you create per eye or per view is that. Here's the breakdown. You create per eye typical yes. You query the OpenXR runtime configuration. Well, I don't do this. Maybe should. Based on these properties, you create one XR swap for left eye and rendering another separate XR for the right eye. Each XR will be configured with the appropriate width, height. Yes, that I do. Oh wait, yes, I do this. My bad. You get XR swap chain. I thought this was. Wait, because you can use this also to do the depth or color. But yeah, you get the XR swap chain images Vulkan struct from each. Okay, once you have an XR swap chain handle for the left eye, for example, you can call this populates array of struct if you're using Vulkan graphics. Okay, so this one struct holds actual Vulkan image handle. Okay, so this one is for each image, and this one, okay, this one is per eye, and this one is for each eye multiplied per VK image. That's exactly the way to summarize it. Okay, and then things starting to make sense, but I'm still a bit unsure about the view stuff, but we'll get to it in a bit. Because this one then means that these are per view, and that, but how have this even worked? This should not even work as far as I think it should work. Because now I need this one. I need this. One of these for every single. I'm just gonna hardcode it right now. No, I can't. I can't do it. I feel so bad about it. I'm just gonna do it by swap chain count. Yes. So each eye, and then the front. This should actually be like from a function called to the physical device. How many images do we want? And then we would use that. But no. I'm gonna do this now. I'm already too deep into doing it wrong, so I'm just gonna go with it. So we'll take each of these, and then here we will take this each eye, but this we only have 2 of, so we cannot say this. We have to do modulo 2. It's a disgusting way of doing it, I know, but this is the way you can do it. And then here we will just go through this again, swap chain count, and we will free each and every one of them. Here, now wrap chain will be based on yeah. This one also needs to be. So we'll have 2 of them. Then swap chain image len, yes. And okay, let's see how far this can go. Where am I? Yeah. Can I do? Did I not have ZIG build run here just a while ago? I did not. Shit pants. ZIG B. I could have done an escape. Alright, let's see. XR create instance failed. Validation layer null handle passed. What the fuck? Is it not running? Oh, my Monado is not running. Oh, my Monado is not running. Well, let's make it run. That's why I went to the GitHub. I was like, why am I at the GitHub? But yeah, that makes sense. It makes sense.
Mistakes, but
Yeah, I just opened up GitHub. I was like, what was I supposed to do here again? Oh, wait, but then I can check out the actual thing that I was supposed to do. Also, test. And then I want to go to OpenXR tutorial, and then I want to go into examples, and then I want to go into part 8. And here we do just this. Aha! I knew it! They also get stuck somewhere, I don't know. Both and are enabled. Cannot safely determine if the defense has been enabled, assuming yes. Wait. I don't know. Anyhow. I cannot terminate this session. It doesn't matter, I don't need it. Alright. I just need to write a reminder to check out one friend sent me something important to watch for later, so I'm gonna watch it later. Just so I don't forget, because I usually forget. Okay, but yeah, now if I do this. Oh wow, okay. I thought that would, wait, what? That can't be, no, that is right. Yeah, okay. So it went through, and here, index 3, len 3. Right, but that's right, you cannot take this len, you can only take the, because you're going through each and every one of them, so swap chain lane count. And now let's see. To index out of bound, index 2, swap chain main ZIG 134. For here. But oh wait, this one is not image count. This one should be I count. Bruh, did I move? Oh my god. Okay. Oh, okay, it's just black. But it's looping. It's looping. It's looping. It's looping.
What?
Yeah, it's looping.
Wait, what did you change?
Well, I fixed the swap chains.
Oh yeah, right. Where did you have a problem last?
It's looping with a lot of friends, but it's looping. Okay, but now, wait. If I plug in a headset, I will probably not see anything. But I'm wondering, like, where's the fucking triangle? It's looping. Yes. Oh my god, I don't know. This is fucking hyped. Jesus, just let's go. Okay, can I take a screenshot? No, I can't. I have forgotten my binding keys. But it's looping! Okay. No, oh, that's how you take a screenshot. I forgot. No, I can flex and now you scrub on the server. It's looping! It is looping, as you can clearly see in the picture. Hallelujah. Woo! Okay. We're getting somewhere. And if I terminate the... I cannot... how do I give it a SIG kill? Or not an interrupt. I want to send an... I don't want to kill it. I want to send an interrupt to it. But how do I do that? I know how to kill it. But I want to do an interrupt. Because that's more family friendly, and as you know, my channel is quite family friendly. How do I send a SIG int to a application? I can do pkill to kill, but how do I SIG it? That could have been formulated way better, but is it just kill? Oh no. Oh no, now it's gonna go. I cannot answer that question. I'm gonna send it the same question again and it's gonna answer it. Oh, never mind. Okay. Using kill with the kill pkill sig int. Oh, can I do that? No, wait. I want to see sig int. Does that work? Usage. Okay, so if I do now Wallenstein VR, it's like this. Was not this. What the fuck? What do I call it? I call it Wallenstein. Stein, like that. What the fuck? Okay, nah. I'm struggling to There it is. It's like that. And then it's like this. Well, I can also just give it the ID, but it would be nice to type the name of the thing instead. There it is. No, it's this one. Yeah. So 774. Well, that didn't do anything. We did it finally, a small free at let's go, baby, let's go. At least I don't see it anywhere in here, but I don't think it got a SIG kill that it was supposed to. This is not good. I struggled hard to get the SIG kill working, and then it doesn't even work. Well, you know, we can always do a P kill as well. That's fine. I wonder how many memory leaks we got here. We didn't get any. I know we didn't. But I would like to have the SIG kill working. I don't know why it's I worked so hard. I even made it so it doesn't work for any other operating system than Linux. Well, basically, any Unix system. And then it just decides to not work at all. But that's okay. Triangle tomorrow will be a joke that will stay forever in this community. That's pretty true, though. Oh my god. Wait, where would what? Yes. Tomorrow. Hashtag trust. Okay. The T word. Oh my god. Okay. But yeah, it's sad I couldn't send a SIG. I think I can. I just need to read on how to do it. But now, how come we didn't see anything on the screen? I could get render docs and maybe see that it at least sends something. Render docs. Can I also get this from Pacman? Oh my god, no way I can. Yep, okay. Sudo pacman-s render docs. It's just like that. Oh, obviously it's not like that. Render doc. Yes. It rendered doc. Let's go, let's go. And then with that, I think we can see if there is even a call to wait, but I'm not sending any vertices. I'm rendering it straight in the shader, so it should be quite apparent. Yeah. Unless I don't know, because I'm not actually running a thing. It was a black screen, as we all saw. Maybe I should plug in my actual headset. I will do that real quick. I will.
Because I think the triangle is also black.
Oh, could that be?
So there is a triangle on the triangle.
Because wait. What do we have? We have. Where are the shaders? Here.
Okay.
But the.
Do you just apply a constant color in the fragment
Yeah,
shader?
I wonder what's
It's like
it comes in as a color. Oh fuck! But where do we pass? I don't remember passing any color.
what? Wait.
Do we? No, I don't think we do.
But why you don't even have vertex buffers or something? Like it, or at
No.
least I'm not aware of them.
No. Everything should just be hard coded in. But I can make a color in the shader and just recompile them, right? So I could just go. I can do this, right? Wait, how did one do it? It was vec3
Just
and then just 1f.
just make.
No, what was it? Just one.
No. Just
Can I do that?
fuck being.
Is it this? Okay, then it will be a red, right? Or am I?
I don't think that makes sense. Just delete that line and then in the line 9 just make the that constant.
Oh, but I cannot delete because this I have set up in the graphics pipeline. So if I delete this, then it will say it's not, the shaders don't match the graphics pipeline. But this I can.
You have it in the graphics pipeline that
Yeah.
should have
Yeah.
color in.
Yeah. But this should be valid still. So this should now give us a red triangle. I was thinking using render docs, but I'm like, but we are not passing any meshes or vertices in, so how the fuck would it know? Or I'm not because it only reads what you send with command buffers, right? So it could. Oh yeah, we should probably also do that to check, because I'm a bit skeptic that this monstrosity over here, this data pointer actually work as intended. I'm a bit unsure about that, so I should probably run it through render docs to see that we actually get the values that we are expecting, because this is some interesting shit, Let's do it again. Okay, I'm running it.
Okay, wait, run it.
And then
run it again. No,
ZIG build run. No, there is no red triangle. Still, now I just need to know how do I send a ZIG int to my. Can I do that? pkill ZIG int, and then Wallenstein. Let's see. Worst case scenario, kill my application. Best case scenario, this just tells you to please die. What? How do you?
Wait, can you stream on Discord?
Oh yeah, I can do that.
I'm not sure. Watch it.
Yeah, no, I'm not streaming. Wallenstein. Let me just do this real quick. Wallenstein VR. Nothing happened. Okay, I can stream on Discord. Where's my Discord? There's my Discord. Go live. Entire screen. Make selection. Go live. Share there. Bada bing, bada boom. Enjoy my thing.
Oh, I can watch your stream. Ah, that's crazy.
Oh, that's
I
crazy.
think it's because I'm using a Wayland Discord.
Yeah, Linux send ZIG in to application. How's i3 VM seems like it? i3 WM. I read it. What is that? You don't know, T-Chef, or do you? Do you happen to know what that might
What?
be? i3WM. I have Google right in front of me.
That's a window manager, just I think. I have Windows, I think it's in window, and WM is just also wants to make clear it's a window manager.
Okay, yeah. What is your DE? What is my what is a DE?
Desktop environment. Desktop environment.
I was like,
And I asked the same question yesterday.
Yeah, it's cosmic. It's funny because I spent 6 hours figuring out why my OBS wasn't working. I still don't quite know why.
You
like,
don't know?
Yeah, like I don't know, because I had drivers to be updated, like NVIDIA, and then when I started my OBS and tried to stream something, it just said in the journal that journal CTL that was something Vulkan invalid. What was it? Oh my god, how I'm lost of words. But format, like it doesn't send like mailbox or these. What are those things called? I cannot remember. Anyways, that shit. And then I started to do streaming on Discord, and that didn't work either. And then I was like, well, I guess just the Cosmic is not up to date. But then I installed the KDE to work on that one instead, but that one was awful. So I tried to do Xorg, and then Xorg didn't work for me. So I went back to here, and then I just restarted my desktop XDD desktop service, and then it just worked. I was like, what? 6 hours for this? Alright. But now it's on, so you know. I thought it was i3 MVs with some configuration. Yeah, I don't know. Like I think I had something like that for my Xorg. I had well, actually I had DWM, just literally just called that. What is this?
But you're using Wayland, right?
Yeah, now I'm using Wayland. But I have Xorg also, if I want to.
Yeah.
Because
yeah, I also have it.
I used to use Xorg, but then it was just I read more about this and was like, Wayland is supposed to replace Xorg. So I was like, okay, I'm just gonna go to some more modern stuff then, I guess. This is what I used to have. On Xorg. Literally just called DWM. It's so weird because when I was using this, people asked like, what window manager are you using? I was like, dynamic window manager. I was like, yeah, but which one? I was like, it didn't go anywhere. Also because I was so bad at all of these terms, so it's like I couldn't even explain like any further than the name. If you're using Windows, wouldn't Hyperland be better if you're using tiling window manager anyway? Maybe. But I like Cosmic because you can you can overlay stuff on other things. Like it's quite like flexible. Like I can just
Hyperland.
Wait, what?
I use Hyperland.
You use Hyperland, but I can have tiling, and then I can put it back to be this if I need it. Like it's quite. I just enjoy it. Like you can switch between them.
Yeah, Hyperland also supports it.
You
I
can
think
do
I
that?
just used Hyperland since today.
Ah, okay.
I know there's the floating mode, and I already use it. I'm not sure that's how good it is because I just configuring right now.
Hmm. Maybe I should try out Hyperland, but then again, it's just you can do that in Hyperland too. In my config, it's maybe I should try out Hyperland.
Wait, no, the point about if you do it, like do the window floating, because that's I can also do it now, but how do you move it then? Just with your mouse? Because
Yeah.
I can't really move with my mouse.
Oh wait, I can also
Because in
just if I hold the meta key, and then I can just take hold of a window and grab it.
That's probably also possible in Hyperland, I just don't know
Yeah.
it yet.
Okay.
Oh, Hyperland is so clean, boy. I would like to screen share. Wait, I will try again.
You would. Well. Oh wait. What? If you can you? I can maybe help you actually. If I will. What happened here? Bro just died, I guess. Because I just figure out a lot of stuff while doing these, trying to figure out why my OBS doesn't work. So I'm now an expert at fixing XDG desktop service. Yeah, the thing that apparently is supposed to make shit work when you want to share your screen. Oh yeah, and then you also need Pipewire for Wayland. So yeah, CMX. I know what I'm saying. I have no idea what I'm doing. Linux sends ZIG into application. That was I have it googled twice. Apparently you should be able to do this, but when I try to do that, and I would like to not have to type in the actual like, where did my Wallenstein go? Stain VR. Yeah, I don't think that works. Is there a better way to do it? Because I don't know. The only thing I can do is pkeel Wallenstein VR. Stain. Like so. But that doesn't really kill it in a clean way. I really like the dot files from my Linux work. Dot files from my Linux for work. They are gorgeous. Dot files. What are dot files? Or do you mean just like hidden files? How do you scope? Oh. Oh yeah, yeah. Oh, okay, I see now. That's nice. That's nice. Yeah, but I don't want to kill it. I want to set a. I wanted to send a. This white mode is too bright. I wanted to send a SIGINT, SIG terminate, a signal to terminate the program. So because I do handle it in the code, supposed to handle it cleanly. It's here. So if this and it gets a SIG action, SIG int, it's supposed to call this on interrupt, which then will just set the quit to true, and then it will just clean the exit, the while loop that it's rendering, and then will free all of the memory and do a clean exit. That's what I would like to do, but I don't know. I suck at it. I will ask somebody else later, or when somebody comes along. What happened to you, Chef? You died, and now you're back. He returned on the 3rd minute.
Can you hear me?
Yes, I can hear you.
And my background sounds? How are they?
Yeah, I don't hear any background sounds.
Okay, then I set it up correctly.
Yeah. Can you do echo $, what was it? It was XDG and then Q. No, not Q. I swear it was Q. I don't remember. I swear it was this, but it was something to do with Q.
Right.
XDG. No, QT. My bad. QT.
Why should I do it?
Just anywhere. Echo, and then you do this QT QPA platform. Because there is a
QPA.
I would like just to know, what do you have there?
For me, it's blank.
Oh, shoot. So, wait, how do you boot into Hyper? Does it open a graphical interface directly when you start Archlinux, or do you have to start?
Yeah, and I select Hyperland, but Hyperland only once on Wayland, so
Wait,
I'm not 100%.
wait, so you don't, when you start Archlinux, you don't have to type in your username and password. You just like in a terminal. It's directly in a user interface, or?
Yeah.
Interesting, because then you should have something here. That's weird. That might be one of the reasons why it's having issues to render. But there's also, if you do system. Oh wait, do you have? Because that thing would help, but there should be Wayland either way. Like we shouldn't have to know that. If you do, wait, what was it? It was you do have, if you do sudo pacman dash capital Q, and then you do, it was the GDX. What was it? GDX dash
GDX,
yeah
XDG.
desktop. Fuck. It was something more with it. I don't remember what else was with it. And now I don't know my password apparently. I swear to God.
Yeah, you mean the package for streaming?
Yeah, no. This is
You
what
mean
it. Yeah.
XDG desktop portal.
Portal, yeah. So you have that, right?
Yeah, I have that.
Okay, and then you can do GD do the same command, but you replace capital Q with capital S and small lowercase s, and then you will get all of these ones. And you're supposed to have.
Yeah, I have it.
And then
what's that doing with?
So because here I have Cosmic, so I need to have this one installed for mine to work. And you have Hyperland. So yeah. I wonder which one is for Hyperland. That there's Exap.
The one with Hyperland. It's in the middle.
In the middle. Okay, yeah, there. So install that one if you don't have it.
I guess just install it. What do you mean? Me.
What?
Wait, you mean I should install it? Because I already have it.
Yeah, you need you have it?
Yeah.
Okay, and then have you set it up to also work in the config?
Yeah, I'm not sure.
So you can go to, you should have in your config, there should be the same desktop or XDG desktop portals, and then you have a / portals.conf, and there you put I think it's just the same. Well, yeah, I have GNOME and then Cosmic. I should probably switch these two around, but
I don't even have the XDG folder in my config.
Yeah, then you just create. I also had to create it.
Yes.
And then after you have set it up, then you should be able to. Oh yeah, you have to also start the services. But I think
How do you do that?
You can. So, but you have done. You do this prefer. Maybe I can send it to you so you don't have to. Oh yeah, but you just put in your information instead. I will put it in general in the server.
Oh yeah, okay. Mm.
And after, well, yeah, and then I think you just put literally the hyperland in there, and it should be fine.
Yeah.
You can also put others, like it will be used as kind of like a backup if you don't have. Where is my? What am I doing? And then after that, if you do system ctl
Yes, I think it's together.
Yeah, my bad. You just have to do a restart on the portal, desktop portal, I think, right? And you also may have to reboot, but then it should be fine. Well, I guess it reboots also if you just restart if you reboot the system. But I'll check that.
It should work now.
Check that it's on first. Let's status. But what is it called? It's just systemctl / user status xdg desktop. It doesn't autocomplete. Nyeh. I don't know. Services. Run. System password. I know it's one of those because I was doing it, but now I don't remember the name and I can't find it. I'm actually no, I'm not hallucinating. I remember I did this. I swear to God, I did this. But I can't find it now. What?
This when I do that.
Maybe I need to do
like when I stream.
mod.
Wait, null pointer, are you still watching? If so, do you have any tips for hyperland configs? Like something that you should definitely add?
That is, wait, if you had tips for a high, or I have, what?
No, null pointer.
Null pointer?
Yeah, with I in the live stream chat.
What? Sure. Wait, what? How do I just... Is this just renderdocs command line? Is there somewhere how to use this? Ah. Render diagram binary. As well as it comes with the Android. The doc package does not. I don't have a current plans.
Hello?
Hello?
Wait, say something.
Hello, hello, hello. Could just provide. I'm gonna try some weird shit out and. Nope, that's not how you run it. Okay. Run. Doc.
And Lucas, do you also like get logged out from your browser every time you restart your PC, or did you change
Only if
something?
you change between what's it called? I do get logged out if I change between the
X11
compositors.
Wayland?
Yeah. Or even if I change between a Wayland to another Wayland.
Yeah.
Yeah. There's no example on how to. Bruh. I wait. Render doc cmd. How do I run? Like you have to pass the executable, but you have to do something else. I'm unable to find any. Yeah, I'm also unable to find anything. Okay, then I guess I will have to read this. Command can be one of capture launchers given capture convert in formats. Amazing. PK wall and stain VR. But where do I get? This is not what I was looking for actually. Damn it. Well, I mean, I could try this one as well. Man, just wanna see. Wait, what? No, stop. What? Yeah, that's what I got. So let's just, I don't know, I can't use this apparently. What? What is for R? Yes. And then I want to get the other one. Look binary. Let's see. Yay. Gonna take a whole minute. Damn. That's like a lot of time. And what the heck? Okay. 15, 13, 11, 10, 9, 7, 5, 3, 1. No, okay. Yeah, just taking a binary from the public user repo. That doesn't seem like a bad idea, am I right? They're usually not that bad, and it has been there for a long time, so I'm assuming that it won't be an issue.
By the way, and when you update your Archlinux, you just do like sudo pacman -s yu.
Yeah, that's it.
Okay.
So how do I run this thing? Because it doesn't seem to just be a render. Where is render doc? There is. When I type render command not found. What? It doesn't make any fucking sense. Well, it does make sense. Okay, what the heck? Am I just gonna download it actually from here and just... So weird, so weird. Can I not just... Okay, I'm gonna go here. Bin, how do I run it? Downloaded, okay. Oh my god, it's still thinking. How can it never remember? I always have to say this. You're running the okay, it's still.
Abo Hyperland is so insane. Bro,
Oh
the
shit.
amount of customability is insane.
Let me just do this again. Remove. Yes. And then I will do this again. Is it more insane than Cosmic? Okay, what the fuck?
Not gonna lie, I find it more insane right now. But wait, in Cosmic, do you have like some settings thing? Like settings that you can open in the GUI?
Yeah, I can do that.
Yeah, in Hyperland, I think it doesn't exist. That's like something that I don't know. It's a good thing or not?
Like, wait.
Because you can configure everything in the one file.
Like, you mean just changing here this thing, or
Yeah,
yeah?
I don't have that.
Ah.
Yeah.
Well, I don't think it's too much, like too hard to implement, like for them either. So it should be
Yeah,
fine.
Wait, I will join with my phone real quick and like camera stream. But I
Okay.
know I can show you.
I don't know how to run this. Replace Renderdoc with Renderdoc Git if you want the latest development.
I'm on my phone.
Oh damn, I can hear.
Yeah. Okay, wait. Watch my camera.
Wait. Wait. How do I? Okay, yeah, I'm seeing I'm seeing it.
Yeah, you see. So this is basically like how it is, and there's like no thing, like no bar, no anything.
Yeah.
Basically, this is your main config file,
Yeah.
and there you can like things like shortcuts to basically open my terminal. And terminal is just a variable I defined on top. Like it's just then like kitty here for
Okay.
things. But now look at this animations. Like with this shortcut, I make another like terminal,
Yeah.
and then I can also like switch these around. It's a little bit funky with one hand. I can also with this like make this, and then if I switch just this, and hang on a minute. I need to go right. So I will just I can do like this. Normally, like with two hands, and that's just like wait a sec. But the cool thing is, like in the config, basically in the that's only the main one.
Mm.
But for example, there are things like gap in, and then right now it's 10. If I do it like to 50 and just write to the file, right, like this, then you see it's now 50, and every time I open a window, it's like has 50 as the thing.
Yeah.
I could also make 0, and then it's like there isn't any thing. You can like customize it really crazy. You can also change the outer thing that's like the space to the monitor. If I change that to like a crazy high number,
I was trying to
to
get
like
your thing to the live stream, but it froze my Discord, so I'm just accepting that my Discord can't move, but I can see your stream or your camera.
yeah, but you can change everything like in this config file really easily, like the
Yeah.
color when it's summer.
Yeah.
And I don't know, it's kind of cool because it's also like kind of clean, I guess.
I mean, there's probably
Like,
also like some extension or plugin you can get to get a UI for that, or you can make one actually if there isn't.
yeah, that's probably. I can send you a video before, like one guy who crazy did some things, but like one thing I have is that isn't configured yet, but if I do like one shortcut, I have this thing like to search apps, like I don't know. But it looks very ugly right now because it isn't configured. And another thing I saw many people do was like using this way bar. I didn't have the setup if I wanted. You see there's this bar on top. It's also not configured, so it looks really ugly. But you can make it really nice, I saw some people do. Yeah.
Pretty damn cool.
I'm back on PC.
I will quickly restart my Discord so I can move it.
Yeah.
Let me just peeky. Like so. Oh, that's why I got problems, bruh. I did click the wrong button. I think I didn't have to restart it. I'm just stupid. Okay, I'm back.
That's nice.
Nice. All right.
You stream on Discord? Yeah.
Yeah,
nice.
yeah. I'm way ahead of you. Okay, but how do I actually run render docs on Linux? I don't know. I'm just gonna start a new chat. How to run render docs on Linux. I don't think I even need to I just wanna know, like, how do I start it? Because there is no thing called render doc. System audio recorder. No, that's not what it's. Directory. There should be a render doc executable. But I don't. Batman away, man. Okay, damn. And then, bruh. I get render. And I swear to God, if you give no Windows, then I don't know. Go to the official to download the build tar, but can I not just use? Yeah, this command Vulkan layer. Ah, okay, is it like this? Earlier when I asked, like, how do I use this command, it's like I don't find anything on it, and now it just randomly gives me it. Well, I didn't do shit. Bash. Open. But there is no such thing. Usually prompt your register Vulkan layer and first to follow the on-screen instruction. I also do this menu via the I did. There is no render GUI, and I only got so how do I start? Fuck. Render, you're right to point out that the team's render package selection might install command line by default and not graphical interface. I would like that graphical interface, so wait, what? Q render? To get the, is it actually like that? No way it is. That's damn, actually on Linux, yes. Yeah, that's I don't think there is. Sudo Pacman. Bruh. Yeah, there's no such thing. It's lie. It's okay. Install the making up packages now. Okay. I'm not even gonna start arguing, but there's no such package because it's just gonna be a waste of time trying to convince it that there's no such package.
Wait, you do boot into the grub bootloader, right?
I get into the... No, wait, actually, yeah. But so I just select either the Linux or the basically bootloader for Linux, but Archlinux, but yeah.
But I recommend you to download a grub theme. Then you can like customize how your grub looks. It's really cool.
Ah, I guess
it's really easy.
Yeah, but that will do it some other time. I want to get this triangle. And I want to get my render docs so I can confirm that all the data is there. But how do I get...
Look at the link I sent you.
Just a sec. How do I get this render doc for Linux? Or Arch Linux?
Was there maybe an alternative?
Render docs Arch. I'm confused now how to get render docs for Archlinux. Like, I don't know. I just find a like command line that I don't know how to use, and when I try to Google how to use this command line, there is no info on how to use it. I'm like, all right, great. Why did everything become so tiny? I think I must have changed stuff somewhere somehow. This didn't help me at all. Render doc here, let's see. Render doc. Nothing? Nothing? No, what the fuck? No, I don't want to do. Well, whatever. It's still no. Yeah. But how do I use this? How do I can't. There is no such thing on my system. I don't know if it's installed or not. And there's no binary called render doc. There's just render doc command line. That's all there is. And then there's no help on how to use it. Like, what am I supposed to do with this? The render doc Vulkan appears to be correctly registered. Yes. So how do I launch this thing? What do I do? What? Why is there no information on this? Doc CMD. Oh, here's something. Maybe here we can find something. Come on, please, 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 please. This is just copyright. More ZIG, yay! Yes. Well, as soon as we get this render rock, bro. How do I use render rock on Linux, bro? Why can I not just use the package manager? Only tool you need to graphics program how to debug.
Without RenderDoc, modern graphics.
Yeah, but do you have? Why can I? Bruh. It says this thing should take from here, but when I get it, there is no render doc to run. Should I just git clone it myself and run the make on it? Is that the way to go? Like, why can I not just do render doc? I tried that as well, but that didn't give me anything either, or useful. But I can try again. Maybe I missed something. Now what the hell? I'm 30, I'm thirsty. Damn, I aged fast. Now please, give me something that I can run with. Well, I'm trying to get render doc, so I can see what is being passed to the graphics. Or what I'm passing to the graphics card. Yeah, that's what I want to see, because I'm supposed to have a triangle.
Restart the system.
What?
Quickly restart to check out of my grappling functions.
Alright.
Put back.
Okay, but now render doc bin and render doc are conflicting. Remove render doc. Well, I guess I will remove render doc because I don't care. I need to find one that works. So if I do render doc now, no. What? How do I run render doc bin then? Render doc. Yeah, I did install it. So if I do this, I got it. But there's no binary here. Wait, where is the binary supposed to be located? What is the binary called anyways? If I get the doc bin. I don't have anything called render doc.
I'm back.
Welcome back. Don't run it on Linux. The road to happiness. Well, I guess that's what it is. Render doc fails to compile Archlinux. Okay, let's see. That may be unlock Linux. Because then I might go. The binary release is giving problems, so I wanted to local build it. Install the render doc package from R. Take a look at the to clear. This is an old one still, but wait, hold on a minute. What if I take, because I did not, which one is this? Oh man. Aha. If I do it through Yay instead, maybe. But I did it through Yay. And then never mind, forget about it. I thought I was gonna do something cool, but then I didn't do something cool. Does it say what will the render doc? That's literally what it's supposed to be, but I don't see anything. Did something fail? Warning: using existing tree. Skipping verification of file. No. Why can't I just get render doc? Why? Cleaning, checking. I'm not gonna do that one over here though, in case if I have my IP there. Journal city, yeah. Nothing seems to be wrong here. Everything seems to be valid. Yeah. I don't know. So weird. There's nothing in here. But that's debug. Let me go actually to CD. Finish adding name clamping to my GUI text editor feels okay, man. Oh damn. That's nice. GUI is really like, I have done a little bit with GUI, and like when you actually have to do it in like how do you use find? But you what am I trying to say? GUI stuff, yeah, it's like really painful. Just trying to get the text centered is like, oh, it's such a hassle. Why can I not get render doc? Okay, what if I just get it from the page? Render doc. Or from the master branch. I can probably get it from the master branch, right? Then just I'm just gonna uninstall this one because apparently this doesn't do anything for me. cd source, and then I'm just gonna git clone. Well, that's gonna take forever. Can I get it in a... You can install straight from the site, yeah. I think that's might be faster. Will it be faster though? We'll put it in home source. New folder, I'm gonna call it doc. Like so. Okay. Alright, halfway there installing. Woo! I always wondered what is their, like, this symbol, the logo they have, like it's supposed to be a person. Alright, we're done. Now we're done chit-chatting. Okay. What is the untar... How do you untar it? How to untar... untar. Ah, there. Thank you. I always forget the tar thing. What? Render doc. Isn't that correct? Oh, tar command not found. What? No. I know I have it because I've done this 100 times already. I should have it. What? There's no way. I have untar this. Are my environment variables incorrect? Everything seems to be fine. Yo, what's up? No, maybe triangle work. But that's weird. I have done tar 100 times. Probably not 100's a lie, but at least 5. So this is weird. Okay, so do you just do Q render? Oh, was that what I was supposed to do? With when I had the other package, when I had the B binary, it's called Q render code. They are complementing your keyboard, T-Chef.
What?
They're complementing your
my keyboard.
Yeah, they are satisfying.
But it shouldn't be satisfying. It should be. Wait a sec. Oh hell no! Wait. Why? Maybe I completely rebooted. That's why.
This is a weird place to run the shit from, but it doesn't matter. Where's home projects? Wallenstein.
So now you don't hear my keyboard anymore, right?
Yeah, only if you talk at the same time.
Yeah. I guess that's fine.
And was it F12 to take a snapshot? I don't remember. Oh wait, do we have to be inside of the... Which application am I supposed to be in? I don't remember. I don't remember how render doc work. Bruh. I need a quick tutorial on how to render doc. Kill wall and stay.
Oh, you got it set up, nice.
Yeah. Because I did warning Vulkan capture is not configured. Click here to set up. Home, okay. Do you want to install layer at the system level? If you click no, the layers will be installed at per user level. The render will need the elevate permission to system level. Ah, well, whatever. Render doc take snapshot, or what is it called? Shortcut. I don't know. I don't think it needs to. I don't remember. I think it was F12. F12. But I don't know which application am I supposed to be. Am I supposed to be in my terminal, or am I supposed to be inside of? Well, this is awful. Just gonna close it. Oh shit. That's okay. I don't know, how do I? Run code render doc. Get VR to work on Linux? No, well, I guess, but I have already VR working on Linux, and now I'm just trying to get my VR thing to work on Linux. Yeah, I'm not all from scratch, including not font rendering, and it's so when you don't know how when you don't know how to structure things done, yeah. But I guess you learn how to structure things from doing things. Am I right? Am I right, T-Chef? Yeah, T-Chef agrees.
Yeah.
Yeah. But how do I just
I was
execute?
completely paying attention there.
That's why I use Windows separately for. Wait. This is why I use Windows separately for Windows. Lol.
What does he mean by that?
I know he means that he used Windows separately for VR, but I want to do it in
Oh.
Linux. I prefer Windows on my Linux subsystem. Okay. So you have like Windows, and then you have WLS or yeah. But why can't I just start? Do you have to? Okay, I'm gonna make an assumption here how this works. It is like this. Trust me. Look. ZIG out bin Wallenstein. No out file name is given. What? I can do an out file. That out. The fuck do I know? Or is that show? Ah, frick. A.txt. How about that? Where's the application? Where's the application? Bruh. There's no way that I have to go like source render docs, and then here go to cd render docs ls, and then cd binary. I can probably just copy binary over to okay, it should be F12. But I don't know, it doesn't seem to be taking any. Even if I do it inside, is it just that? I don't know. Oh wait, there are. Oh my god. Did I take all of these? Oh wait, no. Can I just select one of these? Oh, hallelujah. Okay, you can stop now. You can stop now. Boom. Okay. Let's inspect. What did we actually get here? Can I put settings? Light. No. I want it to be dark. Yes, please. Oh, what is this? Naive. Okay, that's also pretty good, but this is better. Okay, let's go. So let's see. You didn't specify application. I did, but it's okay. We will run like this now. I don't know. I think did I take actually a snapshot for all of this? Well, it doesn't matter. The thing that matters are begin command buffer, end command buffer, and another begin. What? Color path. Okay. So yeah, it will not, but we should be able to see. Because the thing I want to find out is the one from the render I, which is this one here. We have the data, you populate the data, and it goes into image memory. So we have the image. Am I doing something? And then vk command. Is this in the right order? Yeah. Giving command buffer. Begin render pass. But that's the. I want to know about. Oh shoot! Am I doing the memory? The memory. Yes. But where can I find? Isn't that in the? No, that's a separate thing. It's a BK device memory. So, meaning that when we tell it to this, it's just a pointer. But we never. Wait, how stupid am I? Wait, image. But we never used that information. Just map the memory. Oh shoot. But how are we supposed to have a triangle then? I'm very confusion. But all of this seems to be alright. Okay. And then we have.
Because I'm so cooked, I didn't train yet, and I gotta eat and train after that.
Damn.
Yeah. But I won't eat like train directly after eating. Yeah, it's gonna be a late night session today.
It's always a late night session, isn't it? supposed to be a late night session. Oh, how late? Oh my god, it's... Well, I spent 6 hours just trying to fix my OBS for Archlinux, so I guess it's a lot of time has passed. I have only been live for
So
2
today-
hours. Bruh.
Today I on my Windows I reinstalled Windows, and it took like 1.5 hours to reinstall it, and then I spent like only 2 hours installing Archlinux, and I still wiped my other SSD Linux disk. Like, I didn't really care. I already expected it after what I gave it to disk partitioning. Yeah.
Yeah. Well, we are getting closer all the time to getting a triangle.
Yeah.
Oh
I
no.
mean, the background is already
What?
there.
Yeah, there's a black background. So that's pretty cool, I guess. I guess you can change the color because we have already. Come on. But in the pipeline. Wait, where the VK pipeline command? Shouldn't we get the pipeline? Am I that stupid? Begin render pass. Begin render pass here. But these are command buffers, right? And then and command buffer.
It's a draw.
Yes. So this command buffer
Mm.
should have. There's one that should have all of these. But this is like I'm still having.
Wait, you're not using multiple command buffers, right?
What do you mean? No.
Like, I think yeah.
I use multiple command buffer per image. So each image has its own command buffer.
Oh, okay. Okay.
So depending on what you mean by multiple command buffers, but that's basically what I do. I'm just trying to figure out, like, I have to be able to read. I want to see the pipeline, because if I could find the shader information, I should be able to find it, but I'm like... Then I could see if there is a triangle, but I think I'm struggling right now with that. Allocate me. Ooh, okay. Here. VK allocate. This. We're supposed to. Okay. Allocate. What the fuck?
Yeah, but it's cool that you can see like the separate cores and everything. That's
Yeah.
so nice.
Okay, so this is this one. Allocate memory here. One of these should have the allocate size, but can I see the actual memory? Oh. Can I jump to this, please? 167. I want to see the actual memory. I don't care if it's ones and zeros. I want to see. Oh, content. No. Ah!
Wait, but so you're using vertex buffers if you
No. This is the information that I'm trying to put into the VK map memory here. So this.
But why do you?
I'm trying to
VK
put in the
map
projection matrix, the view matrix, and the model matrix.
Oh, okay.
So
Okay.
that's what I'm trying to put in here. But and then I would like to see, like, can I see these values represented in here? Because then I know it's passing the data. But I don't know how to see that. But I'm thinking I'm pretty close, you know, because these are the actual calls. But it's
Yeah.
like...
That's the ultimate thing to do to debug the thing.
Device 9. Oh, okay. Damn, this is not really helpful either. Is there something else I could use to clearly see that's what I'm trying to do? There would be this thing, the pipeline, because that one is also bound. Type. Ooh, okay, Graphics pipeline. Okay, maybe. Create info. Okay.
Getting closer.
That should be it. This one, P vertex input state. I'm pretty sure that should be it. If you go up to creating the graphics pipeline, create pipeline, and then we take in the shaders. Vertex shader here, yeah. And then here, so we are gonna follow this one. And then it's probably at the bottom here. Shader stage, and then yeah, P stages. And vertex input state. There. So it takes all of the information that we have passed on earlier. And then here we should have it. And we're trying to see something to see that it's, well, if the shaders are there, then it should at least try to do a triangle. Wait, is it maybe rendered behind us? No. Is it? No, it cannot be because, or can it? It could be. Maybe I'm just having everything wrong. Because it should take in, and you can't do a debug print inside of shaders, sadly. Because I would like to see this data that it's correct. And I cannot move. I can just do this. I cannot see anything else. Damn it. My brain is not braining. My brain used to brain. Not anymore. Okay. This is sad. Okay, what else could I try? I could try to, if I have this, X, Y, Z. The triangle is just invisible, bro, trust me. Oh. Whew! Thank God. Oh, look at that. This is where we actually got the color from before, because we passed it into the out and then we took it in. Yeah. So vertices. Yeah, it was supposed to become a rainbow triangle, but I just put it to red now because I was paranoid that it didn't get the color, but it should
Yeah,
be
but
good.
wouldn't you normally just make it different away for the colors?
No, but you can do this. You can just, you say out and then it takes it in here.
Then they aren't as clean, you know. Colors.
Yeah, but I don't understand that. How can it? I will try to do something crazy. Minus.
You want-
Is minus. Whoops, that's not what I wanted to do. I said something crazy, but it's not that crazy.
Where did you get the values for the vertices from? Like, what is this?
Well, you see, this is X, Y, and Z, right? So this is just one up from the center, and yeah, I don't know really.
Why +1 though?
Because it's just one up. It should be at the top of the screen, you know?
But just one,
And-
please, not a +1.
Oh, okay, whatever. Okay, let's just close this. Oh wait, no, cancel. I just recompile it, right? I can do that. And then I will just rerun it. Where the hell am I? Pabada. CD projects. This is very bad way of having things organized. It's fine. Oh no, I should have kept that one open. Whatever. CD Wallenstein. And then ZIG build. I think it will recompile the shaders. And
I
then
can...
if I run the application again, wait, I have launch application here, launch. And then we take one more of those. And is there a stop button? No. Pkill, Wallenstein, Stein, VR. Okay, cool. I don't know, it seems like it took multiple ones. It doesn't really make sense. Why would it do that? Okay, but we... Oh? No, there is nothing here. I got hyped for a moment. I don't know, man. Well, at this point, actually, this doesn't really help, because command draw... Command draw, yeah, it just tells that we're gonna have 3, but it doesn't say anything more than that. But everything seems to be correct in here. All the data, it seems to be good. Like, we're actually passing that through pretty well, so...
Oh.
Okay, wait.
And I'm sending you some datas that are with nice colors and nice vertices.
Okay, yeah. We can also see here that the date, here's some bytes, and that looks about to be the size of a simple shader. So, I think it's... I think we have all of... The shaders are there, but they're not just... We don't see shit. Let me just actually... I can go in here and do a ZIG build run. Wait, but now...
It's turning black. Wait, so you know in the pipeline, I think it is, where you can specify the clear color. You
Yeah?
have it specified as black.
Maybe.
Yeah, because then you can look if you change it there and it changes in your application.
Yeah, but that...
Like at least
even if
the
it fails to
color red.
render, it should do that. Like, that shouldn't be like... But the graphics pipeline is there. But yeah, I can do that. Pkill Wallenstein VR. And it's great. I should... Oh, no, I will push once there's a triangle. I want a triangle. How can I quit this shit? Whatever. Okay. But, yeah. It's in Vulkan. We create a graphics pipeline, and... What's it called? It's not just called background color. What is it called?
I think it's clear value. I think it's the type VK clear value. I think.
There's
Something
called
like
clear. Let me just close a lot of these. Let's just ask Gemini. How do I set the BJ color in Vulkan? Color, yes, color. VK clear color, yeah, but in which structure? It's a... Oh, there is... Oh, is this for each corner you can do it? I didn't know about that.
I also didn't know about. No, not each corner. That are the values for the clear color. Red, green, blue, alpha.
But why is there a... Oh, it... What?
Yeah, because there are just 4 colors, 4 float, 32. Vec 4
Oh,
just,
yeah,
you know.
you give it for each. Okay, now I see. But why would you have a... this doesn't
Yeah, they're
look
doing it.
that doesn't look Vulkan at all, to be honest, but okay. Color attachment. Okay, here. And then... Here you do clear the start, VK load clear, store the render path. Okay. Okay. VK attachment description, and then you have the begin render path command. That takes in the... Oh wait, pointer to your clear color.
Like, I also forgot where it is. Like, what?
One has to do this many times in order to remember what the fuck is Vulkan. What? We don't have a render path begin. That we... Oh yeah, it's because it's not. Wait, what? Yeah, no, it's in here that we do that. I was like, huh? Yeah, render pass begin, and then here, clear color, clear value, and here, yes. So if you do it red,
Yeah,
I was like, this
because
doesn't.
I'm just trying to see something other than black on the screen.
Oh, I think you saw it.
Yo,
Yo, let's go. We are not seeing triangles, but we're seeing a full square. I swear if I put on my VR headset, I will just see it be flashbang by a red color. Man, this just
you know, actually, that's a quad out of 2 triangle now.
Oh man, there was a guy who just joined and he said he had to go. Thank you. Okay, now this is something I can also flex on you guys with, right? This is a worthy of flex.
I like how it's like basically the same thing as the black background.
Yeah,
Come on.
we're getting there.
Okay, so we're sure that works. So then it must be something with the drawing of the triangle, like
Yeah.
100%.
And it's like,
Did you check
oh
the
wait,
draw
what
code?
is this?
All right?
Unexpectedly. Oh yeah, because I killed it. It wasn't through a. Yeah, but that's fine. That's fine. I don't want it here. I want it to be over here. But I'm still like.
Make sure that with the draw call, like
Yeah, there is a draw call. Here.
how's it looking?
Like these 3 vertices, 1 instance. What is the other ones here? I don't remember. Wait, what? First instance. Oh yeah, that's also, yeah. And then what is the last? Why is there another? Wait, what? There's the command buffer, the vertex count, the instance count, the first index. Oh, and then first instance. Okay, and all of this makes sense because there should only be 1. And that should be taken from the shaders. But why don't we... What is our near and far? Or do we manage that, or is it Vulkan that near distance? Far distance?
Wait, but do you even need like all these matrices to render simple triangle?
Yes. Because I assume so. Yes.
Because like normally you wouldn't do it with all of them. Maybe it's because of the VR stuff.
Yeah, because like we don't manage the Vulkan swap chain. It's lights is still not fixed. Okay, let me go put on some light. People are already complaining. PRB. And I can grab some water as well. I'm thirsty.
Okay, null point you're back. I wanted to ask you, do you have some like recommendations for Hyperland config? What like really important things to put in there? Like right now I just have simple keybind, like move one or not move resize windows and stuff.
No pointer, but like lights are still not fixed. And then I went to fix it. I didn't mean to send you off the stream.
Yeah.
No pointer, you don't know what kind of power you have over me.
I was triggering the seg faults here.
All null pointer have to do is just to tell me to fix my code and the thing would just work, you know? But no.
Yeah.
Let's
Like
try.
maybe it is.
Let's try it the other way around. Like, do we have this inverted, like the position?
Wait.
Nah, it didn't work. I was hopeful.
Why? Is it on purpose that your z-axis is on 1 for the vertices?
What? Sorry, what? 1?
The z-axis is on 1, yeah.
A whole what? What the fuck? Oh yeah, this no, this one's supposed to be 1 as well. But at least we should see a half triangle in that case, right? So
Yeah.
Oh!
Wait, what? Yeah, bro, when the matrices are... Yeah, there was something with matrices, but they went out of bounds.
Wait, what the fuck? It's
Yo,
on.
you're seeing through because of the eyes. What the fuck? Whoa.
Oh, but how can I move the camera? How can I move the camera? I want to see the trigger. Oh my god, it's there.
Bro, that's insane. How are you moving the camera sometimes? Or is it just happening on...
But I don't know
Yeah,
what is like the. I don't know how can I move. Fix the code.
Wait.
But that doesn't look like a triangle. That looks more like a square.
Does look pretty triangle-ish, not gonna...
No, 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 look at the top. Look at the top. But I don't understand, like.
But the
Okay.
angle is way too high to be... rare.
Yeah. But that means that we can
Wait. Yeah,
Okay, wait, this is
I
another
swear
it's a,
you got
it's
some
it,
of the
it's
matrices wrong.
it's another. Why is it moving though? That's also a very good question. Like, I think probably it's the time variable that I messed up. It's another flex time, boys. we are almost. Okay, guys, this is so fucking cool. Oh my god.
Wait. Okay, wait. You should... I think you can move the camera with the arrow keys.
Yeah, I'm trying to move with that. I will. Should I push this and you can try to if you.
No, I don't have Monado right now on my system,
Well,
so...
it's not that.
should
It's
not be
literally
able-
just a simple pseudo Pac-Man, and you have it.
Yeah. Yeah. Wait, I can just do it with Pac-Man? Oh, because on Ubuntu I had to do it with...
Yeah,
git
like it's
clone,
way
and
easier.
It wasn't...
It's way easier on Arch to get.
Wait, what should I do? Do Pac-Man.
Here. This page. And then it's just
Is
one
it
of the
just
installation.
Pac-Man Monado?
It
No,
was.
boy, I don't know how to pronounce
wait. Pac-Man. I swear it was something. It was so easy. It was so Archlinux here. You just get it from here. You get the OpenXR and then Monado here. This was the OpenXR here. This one. So literally just Monado git and use Yay. Install Yay and then use Yay to get this because that's so much easier if you don't have Yay yet. Get
I
Yay.
have...
You have- what?
Oh, that's like the other thing to
Oh, you have
install.
Yuru. Or what was it called?
No, Paru.
Pavu. Paru? Yeah, I don't remember. I
How
use
to
Yay.
install Yay? Just with...
No. If you have that one, continue using that one. Both are fine. I just like Yay because
Okay.
it's I always like to go Yay when I install.
Okay, that's a good reason.
Yeah, but what does it stand? Yet another yogurt. That's what it actually stands for. I think that it's weird that it's moving because I don't pass in. I don't tell it to move. Or do I? But one thing we can do now when we got this is here. No, not here. It's in the position. In the pose here. No, that's not general purpose. Pose here. So view pose. Where do we?
Yeah, I think I will just install Monado tomorrow because I will go eat now.
Yeah.
But
Dude,
I still want to see that full triangle, so.
yeah, I have a VR headset. It's right here. Soon we're gonna plug it in. So, but I still wanna figure out a few values still, just because I like to edge longer. Oh my god, this is so fucking cool. Like I thought, I remember when I got the Vulkan first time in Triangle in Vulkan for the first time. That was freaking cool. But this is so different.
Oh, that like it was crazy how much we did change yesterday.
Yeah,
Like that was.
but oh my god, pose.
I just remember how broken the code were like 3 days ago.
Yeah, oh my god, but it's still kind of broken. Here, we don't set any of the values here. What the fuck? Okay, let me just do X, Y, and Z. So which direction do we have these ones in now? It's in the positive. So if I set the us to be more in the negative, we should be further back. So if I do a -1, 3,
Or one.
I'll do 1 and see how
Then,
much does it change.
yeah.
Shit, it didn't like that. What? Did I do something dumb? Freeing the images. Maybe I did do something horribly stupid. What am I doing? No address available. Did I accidentally type something in here? ZIG main. Oh, whoops. Wait, no, this one is fine. I didn't change anything. Why would it now stop? How many clients am I running? I'm only on the 10th client. So that should not be a problem. Did I actually change something?
Yeah, it was nice to see a triangle, like half a triangle.
Well, is it something just with doing the set position? Because it didn't even go to the get to the what? How is that? That's they are not even what? The fuck? Well, let's just do it in the shader then for now. How about that? Let's change this to a bit further away too. Ah, yeah, but not all of them.
Oh, yeah. Oh, these vertices values are still crazy.
Okay, now they're out of view. They can't be seen. That was too much.
Then maybe change it.
Maybe just.
Wait, is it because the car plane is so near?
Oh yeah,
was crazy thing.
it's literally. It's literally
How?
far. It's literally. Should I do it 3 maybe?
Oh, do it for 100, 100. 100
100?
is like, I think, one of the standards. You do it like, yeah.
Okay. Still a bit.
Wait. Before, oh, and it's still reversed. Wait, I sent you two a fragment and a vertex shader. Copy them and adapt it to your like thing. It shouldn't. Then you have a nice colored triangle.
What did you say?
I sent you a vertex and a fragment shader.
Oh, okay. Wait, where did you send?
Like
Here? Oh, you have sent me a
just
lot of
copy
links. Which one? Oh, this one.
yeah. I sent you
That
one
one.
YouTube video, but just copy the color away and from it so you have.
My key bindings are broken. Okay, so this like so, and then the fragment.
Wait, but you can't just replace all. Wait.
I cannot.
Because you have the matrices and everything. You need to
True.
wait, roll back for a second. Yeah, and then just what you can do, just copy the color away that I have in my vertex shader. Yeah, just the colors. Maybe also the position, I guess. Yeah.
But what does this change really? It doesn't change anything. Except for that we don't take to consideration model. And
Yeah, but now if you copy the color away and then make it for the fragment shader, then you have nice colors.
but we
Way
could
more
actually
colors.
just use this as well.
Does it work?
Yeah,
Because you have quite funny.
Yeah, it will work. Look at this. Wait.
Okay.
Shit. Let's put that back to 2. And yeah, this should work. This should be fine. Okay. And let's see. Okay, well it almost looked good. It's just the position is still bad. But it's supposed to be rainbow colors on the triangles. Wait, are these?
Yeah, so that's why I wanted to stay with the color away.
Oh wait, it is actually a triangle. It's just
Yeah.
barely cut off, so it doesn't look like it would be for me for some
Wait,
fun.
change it to 4 or something, like the position of the triangles.
What did you say? Beeper? Beeper?
The Z position, so they're way further back. Then we see everything.
Like let's say 50,
That's
60,
Oh, that's too high. That's too high.
20.
Oh. Okay. For serious.
Yeah, we're serious.
We
We
so
never
small.
not serious here.
I say they're so small.
Look at that! We got the triangle! I told you we would get it today. Didn't I tell you that we would get it today?
Yeah, I totally believe that after 5 days. Bro, you got it. That's insane.
But actually today I didn't tell anyone that we were gonna get it because I was just like, after the 4th, I have said it like 4 or 5 days already. So I was like, I'm just not gonna say it anymore because I'm starting to sound like a liar, you know. At the end of the day, I don't say it. We get it. We get the fuck. Okay, we
Wait,
get
but
2.
please, let me look real quick. Go in your vertex shader.
Okay,
I
wait.
will make it perfect. And just make a new array, like a vec3 colors array.
Like 3 colors, and then
Yeah, equals vec3. Yeah, like this. And then equals vec3 array, and then you need Then just do like one vec3 with red, one with green, and one with. For the first one, just do 1 0 0. Yeah, and then 0 1 0. This will be way better.
what the fuck? And then
Yeah, and then
assign colors
they
to this one instead.
colors with the vertex index. Yeah.
Wait, how? I don't need to do apps,
Just no absolute.
but I need to
Just
do.
indexing.
Is this a vec4 because it doesn't need the alpha channel as well, or am I stupid?
No, you're exporting the vec3 and then in the fragment you add the 4
Yeah.
like the alpha channel.
So
That works. No,
don't-
vec4. You're exporting it from the fragment. You see in
oh
line
yeah,
3
I
you're
see.
doing
Yeah.
out.
So it takes it in here. Yeah, my bad.
Yeah.
Color.
You don't need to do. No, you do.
Oh, what the fuck am I doing?
fine.
I'm a bit tired. Okay. Damn it! I always leave my cursor in the way. Wait, is it? Do I have to specify index? Yeah.
No.
The vertex.
Yeah.
The vertex index.
Yeah, GL underscore vertex.
I'm too lazy
index.
to type.
Okay, now it
Oops.
should look better.
A force of habit. I always do the. Wait, what is missing here? Semicolon at the end.
Wait.
And is it also? Oh, it just doesn't like that. Is it? No, it should be fine.
Wait, oh no, there shouldn't be curly braces. That should be
Normal parentheses.
Yeah.
Bruh. I know how to
Yeah,
GLSL. Yeah, this one is fine. I don't know. It's some because it's assuming the actual OpenGLs, but I don't know, some old version. I don't know. Whoa, the rainbow triangle! Let's put it a bit closer so we can take a beautiful screenshot and flex on everybody.
6 is a good value. 6 is a good value.
6.
That's what my intuition says.
60.
Not 60.
I should read the chat in a while, but oh, I got the triangle. I got the triangle. And well, it's 2 triangles, but you know what I'm saying.
Oh, 2 is always better than 1.
2 is always when. Whoa, what happened in the chat? Jesus Christ. I didn't have time to read any of these. Lights are still on. Blah blah blah. See. Well done. Do you own a VR headset? Yes, yes. Should back down. Obvious stupid question to ask. Lamau. The triangle exists is good, but do you have any testing scenes to check if the render correctly? Who knows if the projection code had a typo or something? Yes, I will start loading objects nest. I think I feel like the rendering have some issues. No, shut up. They are usually very hard to debug unless you have more complex scenes. Yeah, especially from the shaders, they are pretty difficult to debug as they run the GPU. Yes. Also, we got the renders Super Mayo 64 from Nintendo or something else. There can be bugs and mistakes that cannot be seen in one triangle. No, shut up. Triangle. We'll leave it here. It's accomplished. The project is done. Video.
You can do everything.
Yeah. Now it's video time. What did you see?
Now ray tracing.
Ray tracing. Why did you choose ZIG over C++ though? I wanted to learn ZIG, and like I love C. C++ is okay, but I don't like object-oriented programming, to be honest. It's good in some aspect, but mostly the more I read about like object-oriented programming and then the data-oriented, I'm more and more getting attached to data-oriented and starting to dislike object-oriented more and more. And I was thinking of doing this in C originally, but then I read more about ZIG and I was like, but ZIG is pretty freaking cool, and it's like even more explicit than C. So even though it's like still quite early on, and there's like quite often I get a message from somebody who's a ZIG expert that, by the way, this is gonna be deprecated in the next patch, so you gotta change it. Like fuck. But it's still like I like it. The more I read about it, so I'm no expert, but the more I read about ZIG, the more I enjoy it. Once you get 3D scene that are more complex, take the vector thing that tells us where it faces and take the vector and compare it to light source. Then shading go brrr without RTX. It's okay. Going funny, yeah, especially when it's painful. Wait, you just P killed, not Control C. I can't Control C because it's so fast. I don't have a chance to call a SIG kill, SIG int. I was trying to send a call, but it didn't capture it either, so I will have to see. What about that? He probably doesn't know that, lol. He knows that I can see them in the background. Yeah.
I just imagine coding a VR thing in OpenXR and Vulkan, but don't know Control Z. SD.
Okay, now we can send proof. It is there. Thanks for fixing the. We did it.
In which channel did you send it in?
Send it in general. Probably should have done it in cool things. Wait, did I say it? I got it. Should I still?
I think the value 4 is better for the triangles, and they're way bigger.
Should I try to put in the actual headset now? Let's see if I can see a triangle. I guess you guys won't be able to tell, but I will be able to tell there's a triangle.
Like it would be like I would be really interested to how it looks.
Let's see. So you want 3?
Yeah, or 4.
Or 4?
I guess 3 is fine.
4. Okay.
We meet in 3.5.
Let me just quickly disable the screens and shit. So I will quickly plug in my VR headset. I will also stop the Discord stream. So.
Oh yeah, so nothing goes
okay.
right.
Yeah, I'm gonna plug in everything. Okay. Let's go. That goes there. I don't know if it will be able to how Monado works. Maybe I have to change to the Steam VR runtime, but we will check things out. And
And now the pointer, he just knows. He just knows.
alright, everything is plugged in. Okay. So I can put back on. Okay. The stream back on, boom. And then I will go. Do I just start Monado normally if I have a VR headset? Will it register it?
I don't know. We'll see.
Run Monado service for both. Null to run with virtual device. Oh, shit, that's how you run with a virtual device. How do I run with an actual device? Run with the null. Oh, it's just like that. So I remove the. Okay, it found. Oh no! Can you still hear me? Is the stream still live?
Yeah. We'll see.
Okay, everything is fine. Usually that doesn't work, but it worked this time. Good. Okay. Let's go. Okay. So, let's see if I start it. Right now, there's just I can't really show you guys, sadly, but there's just gray, and if I run the application. Oh, it is there.
Yo.
No way, it's at the top for some reason.
Wait. So you see a room with 2 triangles there.
Yeah, like one triangle per eye, and it's actually perfectly aligned. Like, if I just close one of them, I will see the triangle like on the same position. So it's like actually in the correct spot. But yeah, we have something wrong.
Yeah, and you see the room behind it.
No, because
What?
no, that I don't, because my VR
Okay.
headset doesn't support that. It has a camera though, but I don't know. But I see the triangle.
Yo. Nah, but that's insane. Just push this code to GitHub
Yes.
and we're done here.
I see a triangle in my headset, but. Oh, hallelujah. Okay, we're getting somewhere. This is gonna be crazy. Let's go. Okay.
Oh, finally. I never seen the code actually run and work. It's so insane.
Now I can actually do a merge to the master brands.
After 10 years.
Yeah, it's a triangle. It's a swear word because it. The fucking triangle. Fucking triangle is there. You calibrated the VR headset carefully first. Of course I did. It wasn't like I just plugged it into the wall and then I ran it. Oh wait, that's why it's at the top. It's fine. It's fine. It's fine. I told you we would get the triangle, didn't I? I told you.
Oh, that's so crazy.
I don't know why it's so cool. It's like I have literally just also done a VR game in Unreal Engine. You know, just I selected Unreal Engine and then I had a first-person shooter in Unreal just like that. And I wasn't as hyped as I'm now when I saw a triangle.
Yeah, but it's Unreal, bro. Now we got it from scratch.
Look at all of these changes that just were like, it was actually supposed to work before I even started like this thing, and this is all that I had to do in order to make it work.
I still like how it was the wrong Vulkan version. from the things and everything.
It's like, doesn't work, but I must save progress. Render almost done, just math stuff, lol, and free. Not working but close. Added validation for extension, fixed leaks, maybe fix error callback. Monado no work, I think. New Vulkan version. I count and swap chain count can't be the same. The fucking triangle is there. Amazing. Merge PR. Confirm merge. We've been scratched for years and HTML was next step. How does JavaScript confuse me more than it does used to? And Python was never for me, but my old PI 02W got me code Python. First it was the simple stuff with the bulletins and turtles, then it was TK, and now it's Flask. Oh, they're having a wholesome conversation here, and I'm like, I have a triangle.
Okay, let's get back to work. Next the quad.
Next a quad. Now we need to get some. We need to think. Oh, 99 commits. Let's leave it there. I think that looks cool. No, this is so freaking cool.
Wow, after 99 commits, the triangle is so insane.
99 commits for a triangle. Oh my god. Oh wow, we have 10 viewers on YouTube. Crazy. I think we need to start planning. Okay, we could actually continue following this tutorial, but also with a little bit of a caution that it's not that good. I think the actual official tutorial is way better. Even like both of them are in C++, but translating it to ZIG is not that hard in the end. And I think we also we pretty much have all of these things. There's a few things that we don't have. They have some extra checks, like we just hard code a lot of values, which works because we just know that this will work for us. But these ones actually use, they check, okay, according to your extra headset and your hardware, and combining those two, this is the ideal situation. They do way more of that, and then they also have a depth swap chain. We just have a color swap chain. Probably would have to do depth as well. I wonder. Let me just stop the Monado. Cancel position with. Yeah, okay. Oopsie daisy. Is the stream still on? What happened? Okay, it's still on. Can you hear me?
Yeah.
Okay, good. Man, I'm scared of. I don't know. My those 6 hours that I put into my Archlinux before I started the stream. I don't know what I fixed, but I fixed something. I can just stop my VR headset and nothing crashes. I would like to try one more thing. No. Actually, let's plan. Should we continue maybe checking out both of these tutorials before we actually start implementing our own shit to see just what they do in theirs? I think that's probably the best.
Wait, and didn't you finish the one?
No, I just got to that where the triangle part ended, so part 8.
But what does he still do?
This is if you start now, you should see a triangle. Then 9 is about input. Yeah, we still need to manage input, because if we don't do that, how we're supposed to do spells and shit or whatever we're gonna do in this game. And then this one talks about multi-sampling. Okay, that's also just rendering stuff. Oh, then they switched to a single swap chain. Man, I should have read this before I did anything, because those double swap chains have actually been been a pain in the ass to manage.
Yeah.
And a spectator view. What is that actually? I was only going to do 2 at OpenXR, but then somebody reminded me of another. What is that word? Ancillary topic. What does that even mean? Have you heard this word before? Is the
What?
Is the person just trying to be fancy? I think so. of secondary importance. Secondary. It was not primary, but secondary importance. Topic that I should cover. Spectator view. This is a feature common to most VR applications for PC, where a window opens on the desktop display what the person using the headset sees. This can be useful for recording the VR view, allowing people to spectate the VR session or debugging issues. It presents more unique challenges due to the need to render the two different outputs simultaneously. This is actually pretty good, because then we could literally just... Then I could actually record also for the YouTube video. Well, I guess if I use Steam VR, we don't have to do this, because Steam VR has, you can see the view mode. So I will probably switch to using Steam VR runtime instead of Monado, and then I can just record that on the screen and show it on the screen for other people to see. Yeah. I need to send this also to, not just in our the Discord server, but another Discord server where let's see, it's actually 2 triangles.
Okay.
All right. But
We
I think
should probably clean up the code first, right? So we have a good foundation.
Yeah, I think like the best cleanup what we could do is to actually just there's a few things that I just dislike so much about this, but if you clean it up, then it will not change too much. I guess I could do that. Yeah. But it's actually this time it's already 1 hour past my bedtime, so I think I will actually go sleep early, quote unquote.
It's 1 hour earlier for me, yeah.
Yeah.
But I still gotta eat and train. What is this?
But let's see. There's 12 people watching. Holy fuck, that's a lot of... The triangle got hyped. But yeah, guys who are watching, I don't know if you're already on the Discord. There should be a link so you can join if you want. I usually... did I ping this time? That I went live? I did ping that I went live. I always ping there when I go live if you want to join or get notified. Or I guess also if you subscribe and have notification on, you will get notified that I go live. And yeah, just join in there, talk some cool shit. We talk about ZIG and Vulkan and also other stuff, but those are my cool topics to talk about. And yeah, I think I was thinking of doing, if you guys were on Twitch, a raid, but you guys don't watch me on Twitch apparently, so I'm just gonna end it here. Thank you so much for watching, and yeah, I will see you guys tomorrow. Will be late because I have meeting and other stuff to do before I go live, but I will come in tomorrow and I will have a plan in mind that I will execute, and with you guys. Alright, that's it. See ya. Bye bye. You wanna say bye bye, T-Chef?